Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Summer break is so fun. You get to sleep in late, eat whatever you want whenever you want, keep up with all your favorite shows, and maybe even forget what day of the week it is. But now, it's all coming to an end again, and it's time to go back to work. A new school year is coming soon, and with that comes a new class, new responsibilities, and a new chance to transform yourself and get your academic glow up. The last thing you want to be doing your first day of school is starting looking for your school shoes, school books, and maybe even your uniform. That's literally a recipe for disaster because you'll feel stressed before you even leave the house and probably end up walking into school late. Obviously, we can't have that happening. So today, I'm going to break down everything you need to do before a new school year so you can start a new class feeling like the best version of yourself. First, you need to stock up on stationery supplies. Stationery are basically your survival tools for the school year. You need them for every assignment, every class, and every test. And no, you don't need to spend several hundreds of dollars getting a full shopping cart full of expensive stationery. All you need are the basics: new notebooks, binders, folders, and paper. You can even reuse old stationery from the year before if they still work right. Next, restock your pencil case. Get a few new pens, pencils, erasers, highlighters, sticky notes, scissors, glue, basically all the things you use regularly in class. If your school needs textbooks, try to get them before the first day so you can label them and protect them with covers. Also, get a calculator if you're allowed to use one. Now it's time to look into your backpack. Check if it's still in good condition. No broken zippers or ripped straps, because you're going to be carrying it every day. If it's too old, now is the time to get a new one. Set up your phone, laptop, and any other electronics you might use in school if you have them. And at home, set up your study space. Take out all the random junk you had from summer. Clear your desk, put your supplies within easy reach, and maybe add a little decor to make it a spot you actually want to work in. Now let's talk about clothing and appearance. The week before school starts, reorganize your closet. Put together the clothes you want to wear for the first week of school so you don't start wondering what to wear the morning of school. If you use a school uniform, make sure it's clean and ironed. If you want, you can even try them on to make sure they still fit. Take out all your accessories, like hair clips and hair bands, so you're ready when you need them. And if you've been wanting a haircut, trim, or new style, get it done at least a few days before school starts so you don't end up in a tight spot. Next up, academic preparation. Yes, I know, school technically hasn't resumed yet, so what's the point of studying now? Trust me, getting ahead of the rest of the class before school actually starts is one of the best things you can do for an academic comeback. The night before school starts, take a few minutes or more to go through the subjects you'll have to study in your new class. If you want command, you can even go through some YouTube videos to see some explanations for the topics in advance. If you already have a list of subjects you're supposed to do, make a study schedule for the new class so you already have your study plans set out. This is also a good time to get back into productive school habits. Start getting used to writing down your assignments, because the earlier you get into that habit, the easier it'll be to stay organized when things get busy. Let's move on to health and wellness. First of all, get better sleeping habits. Fixing your sleep schedule before school starts is so important. If you've been going to bed late all summer, start fixing your sleeping habits now. At least a week in advance. Start sleeping earlier by about 30 minutes each night until you're back to a healthy routine. Plan out a few healthy snack and lunch ideas so you're not stuck relying on vending machines every day. Also, check that you have personal hygiene items ready: deodorant, hand sanitizer, tissues, wipes, and sanitary pads if you need them. These little things make a big difference during the school day. Finally, let's talk mindset and motivation. A new school year is like hitting the reset button. You can leave behind whatever happened last year and start fresh. Think about a few personal goals you want to achieve this year. It could be getting better grades, joining a club, making new friends, or even just being more confident in class. You can even make a vision board or a motivational phone wallpaper to keep yourself inspired. If there's a habit you want to build, like reviewing notes every day or reading before bed, start now so it becomes second nature. And here's one bonus tip. Clean and organize your phone. Remove apps you never use. Organize your files. And maybe even set limits on apps that waste your time. Trust me, once school starts, you'll be glad your phone isn't distracting you every 2 minutes. If you follow these steps before the first day, you're going to walk into school feeling organized, ready, and way less stressed. You'll have your supplies, your outfits, your schedule, and even your mindset ready to go. And when everyone else is still trying to get themselves together, you'll already be on track for a fabulous new session. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.